Hi guys, this is Miss Jacobson. Today I'm going to show you how to submit a blog assignment to Canvas. Unfortunately, there is no way for me to get everybody's blog posts sent to me directly from Blogger. So what we do instead is you are going to go ahead and submit the URL of your specific blog post into Canvas. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. When you go to your Canvas page and go to Assignments, you'll have some sort of assignment. This is just an old one that I copied, but for our purposes, we're going to pretend that it's a blog assignment. You would have your instructions here. You'd have a rubric of what it is you need to have in that blog post. In order to submit your blog post, you would go up here and click Submit Assignment. Scroll down, and you'll see right here there's a website URL box. Please be careful that you give me the right website URL. If you just go to Blogger and you are on the home page of Blogger, you'll see this page right here. This is not the URL you want. If you give me this URL, I will not be able to view your assignment. Instead, you are going to go to your main blog page and go to the specific post that you want to link to. There are a couple of ways for you to get there. The first would be simply to click View Blog right underneath the title of your blog. If I click View Blog, I can scroll to the specific post I want. I would click on the post title. So again, you see right here, you can see all of my posts on this page, but it just links to my blog in general. For this one, I would go ahead, click on the blog title. That will bring me to a page that is just the one assignment, the one blog post. And I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Go back over to the Canvas assignment and paste it where you have that website URL box. That's the first way you can find that URL. A different way you can do it from this main page, if you know the specific title of the post that you want to submit to me, you can hover above that post title, and when you click on it, you click View. As long as you clicked View and not any of the other links, you can again come up here, copy that URL, and paste it. The final way, if you were going to open a new tab, would be to type in your blog name directly. So if you have your blog name memorized, or if you have your blog favorited or bookmarked, mine is missjacobsonwriting.blogspot.com. I'm going to go in, click on the title of the specific post I want, come over here into Canvas, and copy and paste. I can add a comment if need be, like, sorry this is late. Whenever I have that one website URL and I've made sure it is the specific post URL, it is not for my main blog and it is not for my home page, I'm going to click Submit Assignment. And that is all you have to do in order to submit a blog post to me in Canvas. If you are needing to resubmit, you can click Resubmit Assignment and you will be able to upload a new link. Again, that's from the assignments page, or you can also click the link to the specific assignment.